Welcome to another educational English story. This short story is about a woman who realizes she doesn't love her husband. Sarah was a girl with big dreams. She loved music, art, and books. Her heart was full of colors and songs, but her world was small and quiet. She lived in a traditional town where people followed old rules. One day, her parents chose a husband for her. His name was Omar. He was polite and rich, but Sarah didn't feel anything for him. "Marry him," her father said. "He will give you a good life." Sarah wanted to say no, but she was afraid, so she stayed quiet. 1 month later, they got married. The wedding was big, with music and flowers. Everyone smiled, but not Sarah. Her smile was not real. In her heart, she felt empty. Omar was kind, but he didn't really know her. He never asked about her dreams. Every day, she cooked and cleaned, but she didn't feel alive. One evening, she found her old notebook. It was full of songs and poems she had written when she was young. She touched the pages and started crying. "Where did I go?" she whispered. That night, she couldn't sleep. She stared at the ceiling, thinking about her life. The next day, she spoke to Omar. "Do you know who I am?" she asked. Omar looked confused. "You are my wife," he said. "No," Sarah replied. "I'm more than that. I'm a woman with dreams." "I want to feel alive again," she said. So she began to change her life. She started writing again. At night, she played her guitar and sang softly. Sarah found a small music school and started teaching kids. The children loved her songs. She smiled again, and this time her smile was true. Her heart was waking up. Omar noticed the change. "You seem happy," he said. "Because now I'm myself," she replied. He began to listen more and learn about her world. They started spending more time together. They went to music events and read books. Omar even bought her a new guitar. Sarah was surprised but happy. One night, she wrote a new song called "The Song of My Heart." She sang it for Omar, his eyes filled with tears. "Now I hear you," he said. Love didn't come fast, but it came slowly and truly. With time, trust grew. Sarah didn't lose herself. She found love and kept her dreams.